Jesus.
Oh, pretty. How are you doing?
I'm good, and you?
I'm fine. Why are you standing here all alone?
I took the rest. The only one here.
So why did nobody pick you?
Because I'm expensive.
You are expensive. Okay. How much for the night?
200,000.
You said what?
200,000.
Sorry, you mean 200,000 naira for one night?
Actually, I deliver all around services. And you're gonna love my package.
Wow. Actually, your services is good. If not my body and they do me, I will pay 200,000 for one night. Just my body not they stay one place. Okay, no problem. You can come in. Sorry.
Good morning.
Good morning. What are you doing in my kitchen?
I'm cooking.
You are cooking?
Yes.
But you're supposed to be on your way home. This is after 8.
Well, it's part of my package. Actually, I remember I told you last night that I render food services, and this is one of your services. After massaging you and servicing you on bed, I give you good food so you can eat and regain your energy.
Sorry, don't be angry. So, ASHAWO sabi cook.
Point of correction. I render services.
Sorry, don't be angry. But you are putting on my polo. How come?
Actually, I can't wear my clothes in cooking, so I rather put on my client's clothes in cooking. Besides, you have a nice polo, so it won't be bad.
Thank you. Hello? My guy. Yes, see me see problem. Immediately after last night, she entered my kitchen. She cook. As I'm talking to you now, I don't shop this morning. Hey! I've eaten this morning. Better rice, rice and stew. Hold on. Wait, please. What are you doing with my clothes?
Well, I discovered some of your clothes were dirty, so I wanted to wash it for you. It's part of your services.
The washing machine is there.
Okay.
Bro, as I talk to you now, she won't go wash my clothes. See, all these girls when they do ASHAWO, some of them are wife material. As I talk to you now, this one are wife material. Make it not be like, say, I don't see my wife. Have you don't see my wife? Yes.
Well, I'm done with my services in this house. I would like to have my money.
Well, I actually love your services. I don't know, I love how you package your services, you understand? So I don't know, can I pay for a week?
Well, I know it's gonna cost you more.
I don't mind. Any amount, I'm ready to sacrifice, you know.
The work is done. I don't cash maga.
Let me do the transfer. Done.
Nice.